The margarita is one of the most popular cocktails around the world. My name is Tony, and today I'm gonna make you a margarita unlike any other. This is the Mango Clarified Margarita. That's right, this margarita will be clear, packed with flavor, and with a stunning presentation. Let's get started. This cocktail does have a procedure, but we're gonna build our cocktail first right inside of our mixing glass. Our first ingredient is gonna be 2 ounces of a silver tequila. We'll be adding some orange curacao, or any kind of orange liqueur would work just great, and just about ½ ounce. And next, we'll be adding our amazing mango syrup. And we're gonna be doing a full ounce of the mango syrup. And last, we have 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. One of the most important steps for this cocktail, in order for it to come out clear, is that it has to curdle with milk. Yes, that's right. We're gonna add a little bit of milk to this cocktail, but you're guaranteed to have no milk flavor in this margarita. So we have our base of our ingredients inside of our mixing glass. We're gonna pull up another glass here, and we're gonna add 2 ounces of milk. Usually whole milk works best. We're gonna pour like so. So for one of the most important steps for this drink is that we absolutely have to be careful as we transfer, because we need the cocktail to go over the milk. We don't want the milk to go over the cocktail, and this enables the curdling process to begin. So our next step for this cocktail is adding the cocktail over the milk, like we just talked about, like so. And what you're gonna wanna be seeing is the curdling process will start to begin as we slowly pour this cocktail completely inside the milk. And as we can see here, our milk and our margarita is starting to curdle, and now we're ready for our next step. So as our cocktail is beginning to curdle inside the glass, we're gonna set this aside for 1 second, and we're gonna need a couple tools to make this process happen. We have this fun, really cool strainer right here for us, and we have a coffee filter, and I have 1 funnel right inside as well. We're gonna lay our coffee filter right on top, and now we're gonna transfer our margarita into here. Before we do that, we're gonna wanna make sure that we place a glass right underneath to capture that margarita. We're gonna pour directly right inside. You wanna make sure that you even it out. Once we have the entire cocktail inside the filter, you'll begin the process of the clarification. It is so important for the clarification process to have the citrus, or the acid, and the alcohol, and the milk. Those 3 ingredients combined will help curdle and continue the clarification process. As you can see, we're starting to drip a little bit right down here, but what you're gonna wanna do, sometimes the first few drops are a little cloudy. So what we wanna do is be able to pull this out, slide a glass just to make sure we capture any of the good stuff falling out, pour right on top of the curdles, and we'll transfer the glass right back. So now we have all the cocktail inside, our clarification process has started. Typically this cocktail can take anywhere from 4 to 5 to even sometimes 6 hours, really depending on the clarification that you're looking for. So don't forget, one of the most important ingredients for this cocktail is time. We're gonna wait for this cocktail to drip, and we'll be right back. Once your clarification process is complete, you're gonna end up with a beautiful, clear, transparent margarita. Let's prepare our cocktail. We're gonna be pouring straight into our mixing glass, and we're gonna need about 3½ ounces for this cocktail. We'll drop our ice right inside. We'll add 1 more cube, and now we're gonna wanna chill this cocktail. So we're gonna stir this drink, I'd say typically for about 15 up to 20 seconds, but you don't want to over stir it because you can over dilute this cocktail. What you wanna do is just chill it down just right. From here, we'll ice our glass, and we're gonna strain directly into the glass. We're gonna garnish with a dehydrated lime wheel and a beautiful mango twist. And this is our Mango Clarified Margarita.